Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸 with another tutorial whether how you can schedule your contents on Pinterest using Metricool. Well, when you converted your Pinterest account from personal to business account, it has given the option to schedule your contents, which was not available under Pinterest personal account. But in this tutorial, I will use Metricool to schedule contents on Pinterest. Meanwhile, if you haven't converted your Pinterest account from personal to business, watch my tutorial named Convert Your Pinterest Account from Personal to Business Account and convert your account if you want to use Pinterest for your business use. I will also provide its link in the description for your convenience. Anyhow, to schedule your Pinterest contents, go to your Metricool account and here you can see I have already connected my Pinterest account with it. If you haven't so far, watch my tutorial named Connect Your Pinterest Account with Metricool and connect your account, and I will provide its link too in the description. Anyhow, here you can see I have published only one post so far on Pinterest. Now to schedule your contents, go to Planning tab. And to create your post, either you can click on Create Post or you can click on anywhere in this area. It will open the same window. Now you can create your post to schedule it. And here you can see that I have connected 2 accounts so far, and one of them is Pinterest, which is grayed out. And to schedule your contents on Pinterest, you have to make it active by clicking on it. And I'm deactivating other platform since I'm scheduling for Pinterest only. Well, here on this side, you will see the preview of your post, whether how it will look like on small or big screens. Moreover, you can write some notes about this post if you want. And here on the main section, you have 500 characters limit for Pinterest. And also, there are some presets you need to fill. Now, click here to select and add what you want to post. And then add some description. Here you can turn on link shortener if you want. And then add title, select board, and add the link where this post will lead to. Then change the time and date when you want it to go live. And then click on schedule. Now your post has just been scheduled for Pinterest. And when you hover your cursor on it, you will see that the status of this post is pending. And if you want to change the time, either you can drag and drop it to a new time slot, or you can double click on it to change the time. And here you can see that the post has just been published. And when you hover your cursor on it, you will see that the status of this post has been changed to published. And when you go to the summary tab, you will see the stats and make decisions accordingly. And this is how you can schedule your contents on Pinterest using Metricool. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.